Hi, I'm Iqbal, and today's video lesson is about types of phrasal verbs. We use phrasal verbs a lot, so let's find out more. Let's look at an example. I walked into the room. I turned on the light. Let's focus on the sentence together. Was the light on before I came in the room? No. Did I press something to get the light on? Yes. So, do you know the meaning of turn on? Turn on means to switch the light on. Turn on goes with the object light. A phrasal verb that needs an object is called a transitive verb. Let's look at other types of phrasal verbs. In the morning, I get up at 7 o'clock. Let's review the meaning of get up. When I get up at 7 o'clock, do I leave my bed? Yes. Can I wake up and get up at a different time? Yes. Now, can you guess the meaning of get up? Get up means to leave the bed after sleeping. Get up doesn't need an object. A phrasal verb that doesn't need an object is called an intransitive phrasal verb. Let's move on. We've looked at phrasal verbs that need an object and that don't. There are two other types of phrasal verbs. I said earlier, when I come into the room, I turn on the light. I can also say it in a different way. I turn the light on. Can you spot the difference between the two sentences? I turn on the light and I turn the light on. The meaning is the same. What about the phrasal verb? What has happened to it? In the second example, the phrasal verb is separated with the object, after the verb but before the particle. This type of phrasal verb is called a separable phrasal verb because the object can come in between the verb and the particle. There is one last type of phrasal verb. It's called an inseparable phrasal verb. Let's take a look at an example. My aunt has 3 children. My aunt looks after the children. Can you recognize the phrasal verb? Yes, you're right. It's look after. So, do you know the meaning of look after? Look after means to take care of someone or something. Look after cannot be separated like turn on. This kind of phrasal verb is called inseparable because an object or word cannot come in between the verb and the particle. Let's do some quick practice. Notice the stress. I turned off the light when I left the room. Let's repeat the sentence together. Remember, the stress is on turned off and light. I turned off the light when I left the room. Great job, well done. Now you know about the 4 different types of phrasal verbs. Today, we learned there are 4 types of phrasal verbs. There are transitive and intransitive phrasal verbs, and there are separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.